What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm sort of shocked with what's going on in the crypto market right now. I'm always looking for, obviously gains because I'm holding cryptocurrency and I want to see things run. However, when I'm looking to buy something, I'm looking for these days to where you see a lot of red in the market. Right now, I'm not looking to buy anything, and I did not expect any type of major red movement in the market. The good thing is that we're still seeing some strength around the $1.2 trillion market cap. So it's not something where we're seeing a complete collapse, but we definitely are seeing, the overall market fall. And I wanted to kind of discuss that as to, why we are seeing that, why I'm so confused as to why we're seeing that, and, where we go from here. So, before we get into all this different detail, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I apologize for not being live this morning. I did end up going golfing today, and I enjoyed being out early in the morning and seeing the sunrise as I was hitting golf shots and stuff. So it was really really fun to be able to get out. And I wanted to go live when I came back. It just took me too much time to go through the course. Typically, it takes me about 2 hours. It took me about three today because I had a couple of polls that just didn't go my way. But I did get a bunch of different updates on what the market was doing as I was out, and I was seeing that the overall market is down. Certain things are down by 2% or 1%, and I wanted to kind of discuss that. So again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below if you guys want to check out my Patreon. You can definitely check out the Patreon. I do have my Discord group linked up to it. So if you guys want, notifications on whether I am uploading, whether it's on the golf channel, it's on my main channel, or you want to go through a standard chat, we can definitely do that. I did, kind of update all this stuff and I want to update it a little bit more, but I want to make sure we have, a good group here. So if you guys are already a part of the Patreon, make sure you just invite yourself or add your way into there. The invite is in the Patreon. You can easily accept it and go through that. And you'll be able to discuss over here any, cryptocurrency, stock talk, whatever we have in discussion or whatever you want to talk about. I want to take some more time to do this and get updates on it and make sure that I have, conversations with everybody here and make more of a better connection with all of the subscribers here, all of the viewers here. So I appreciate you guys. Make sure you go and check that out. Also, if you want to check out any of the other links down below, feel free to do that. But again, the market today doesn't really look positive, right? We're seeing it at a $1.2 trillion market cap. It's down about 2.2%. We're seeing Bitcoin that's down more than, a lot of other things. Seeing it down that 2.4% in the last 24 hours, and Bitcoin's dominance has decreased a little bit. It's at 46% dominance, but it's nowhere near where it was before. We've seen this at 38% dominance, to where Ethereum was taking over that. You saw BNB, you saw Dogecoin, you saw a lot of things that were, taking up a big portion of that market cap and taking away from that dominance for Bitcoin. But right now you're still seeing the Bitcoin closer to that 50-cent mark, so it's not 50% mark. So it's not really crazy to say that, oh, something's dominating Bitcoin right now. There's nothing really dominating Bitcoin. It's still at 46%. But as you scroll down here, you're going to see things that are trending. You got ARB that is trending. It's down about 7%. Bitcoin that is trending. Terra Luna Classic that's trending. That's a good trending list, right? Terra Luna Classic, Bitcoin, ARB, they're big plays right now. And obviously, I would like to go in more and see what else is trending. But if you guys want to check that out, feel free to go over to CoinMarketCap and see what they have as trending. But anyways, if we get into the major detail, we can see, again, Bitcoin is down by 2.5% in the last 24 hours, 6% in the last 7 days, compared to Ethereum, which is number two on the list. It's only down by 3% in the last 7 days, 1.6% in the last 24 hours. Still down quite a bit in the last 24 hours. Not really if you're comparing it to Bitcoin. They're right in the same ballpark. Same thing with BNB. XRP is down by a lot more. You see Cardano is down by 4.6%. Dogecoin is down by 5.7%. You're definitely seeing some major drops in those plays. If we want to look at something that's up, we can see BTT that's up. We have, let's see something else, anything else that's notable. You can see stable coins that are up a little bit, but nothing real crazy, right? You have TON that's up. You have CFX that's up about 1%, but majority of them are sort of down. So let's look at some bigger drops that we've seen today. Rocket Pool, that's down by about 10.5%. INJ is down by 11%. I have never heard of that. But you have a bunch of things that are down by a decent amount, right? Stacks is down by 7%. Optimism down by 7.6%. FXS is down by 7% as well. Algorand's also down by 6%, almost 7%. So yeah, Dogecoin 5%. Yeah, you're seeing some big drops here in the overall market. Now, why is this happening? Why are we seeing this type of drop? Well, I was trying to get an understanding of, some negative news. I mean, we had some negative news here where we talk about Bitcoin drops below 30,000 again on interest rate fears. The UK inflation remained stuck above 10% in March. The data does show that. So with that being said, that could be something that's creating some fear within the market that, not only the US market, but you're looking at the UK market as well and what's going on there. Even though US inflation has been dropping by 9 straight months, seeing it at a total of 5% this last month in March, which is fantastic. But then seeing UK inflation stuck above 10% is not really the best situation possible. Could create some fear. But then you go in here and you have some good news around crypto, right? You have the Voyager and Binance.US deal or merger there. Basically saying that it's able to become a success, right? So documents say that U.S. government has now agreed that the bulk of the Binance.US $1 billion deal to purchase assets of the bankrupt crypto lender can proceed, despite concerns the fine print of the contract would pardon breaches of the tax or securities law. Now, that's big news. That's positive news that we can see within crypto, saying that majority of that can pass and actually have people that get some of that money back that they, or not even get some of the money back, get some of the crypto back that they own, and now we can see that they have their assets available for them rather than having the entire thing be completely bankrupt and everything there. So it's good for investors as well as good for future investors, right? Potential investors. So honestly, it's kind of shocking to me why we're seeing this, pullback so far. I understand why, inflation or fear could really kick in, especially with, seeing it up at a $1.3 trillion market cap, but seeing it drop for a number of days in a row is not something that I want to see, nor is it something that anybody else wants to see. But honestly, I don't see any major reason as to why this should happen unless we have whales that are just selling off out of that fear. Because a lot of retail traders that I have contacted, that I've talked to, any big money investors that I've talked to, have all been doubling down on these decreased times, these negative times, and making it more positive for them. So I'm a little bit shocked as to why we're seeing this, but it's sort of understandable. I mean, the market really hasn't been fully explainable at times. We couldn't explain anything. And we were trying to really apply some positive situations to positive movements and negative situations to negative movements, right? But we haven't been able to successfully do that. But here's where the market is. I mean, we stand at a $1.2 trillion market cap. And hopefully we can see some success in the future. Hopefully tomorrow gets better and, the weekend looks bright, looks amazing, but only time will tell. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one.